Here's a calming breathing technique that you can do before you go to sleep at night. Come to a comfortable seat in your bed. You could even lie down if you'd like. Just try not to fall asleep just yet. Close your eyes. Allow your body to settle and feel supported. We're going to make our exhales last a little bit longer than our inhales. So take a breath in and count how long it takes for you to fully breathe in. And as you breathe out, can you count a little bit higher? For example, breathing in, maybe it takes you 1, 2, 3, 4. As you breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doing that again several times, counting a little bit longer for your exhale. Do this for a minute or so, and then have a good night's sleep.